Hello, I'm Attorney General Lynn Fitch. It's hard to believe that we will have a year without the Neshoba County Fair. With its dust and heat, excellent home cooking and fellowship, it's a true Mississippi institution. I appreciate y'all politics stepping in to provide this alternative. Since taking office in January, we've been working to restructure the Attorney General's office to better meet the needs of our state, to create strong partnerships with critical stakeholders. The more than 300 attorneys, investigators, and other professionals at the office do a great variety of work. They are prosecutors and litigators. They provide contract and regulatory assistance to our state agencies, boards, and commissions, and represent the state in the federal and state courts alike. We are the state's premier law firm. The Attorney General's office also does work to empower Mississippians in their everyday lives. We educate people and businesses about their rights under the law. We engage them in big issues like the opioid epidemic and consumer protection matters. We provide services and support to victims of crime to help them and their families and to help them move forward with dignity and hope. So we're not only the state's premier law firm, but also a real public service entity. We've assembled a great team of legal and professional leaders for this new Attorney General's office. And together, they are updating and improving the ways we serve you in Mississippi. For example, I've appointed Mississippi's first Solicitor General, Christy Johnson. With this addition to our team, Mississippi joins 39 other states with a chief strategist for appellate legal work. Christy works closely with our Civil Litigation Division, which includes several other seasoned attorneys who lead our work defending Mississippi's laws. We've also brought in several experienced attorneys for our criminal appeals, cybercrime, public integrity, and Medicaid fraud division. There are new faces here, but well known for their decades of experience in criminal justice. We've restructured our Bureau of Victim Assistance as well to create a stronger and closer network of providers to help crime victims and their families. Our victim advocates have been assigned regions of the state so they can develop relationships with domestic violence shelters, counselors, and other victim service providers. This will help them work with crime victims in the most efficient, compassionate, and effective way possible. We're automating our victim compensation program too, to allow us to serve people even better. And as we're updating the system for domestic violence protective orders so that Mississippi will be in compliance with FBI and congressional standards. We are pleased that the legislature has just passed an important victims assistance program in the Attorney General's office as well. This program will specifically provide assistance for victims of human trafficking. We've already begun to work on this exciting new program and hope that we'll be able to help the women, men, and children who are impacted by this horrific criminal enterprise. The legislature also passed legislation to give our Occupational Licensing Review Commission new authority to help get Mississippians back to work. As a member of this commission and as a member of Vice President Pence's initiative on regulatory innovation, I'm excited at the opportunities this new law gives us to cut red tape and to update regulations that stand in the way of Mississippians living their best lives. We've also created new divisions here at the Attorney General's office to engage Mississippians on some of the most pressing issues, including opioids and human trafficking. With knowledge comes power, and we want Mississippians to be empowered to be a part of the solutions. We're going out into communities to speak directly with Mississippi's community and business leaders and citizens to find out what you need from the Attorney General's office and to share what we can do to help make your lives better and easier. Another important partnership that we are growing and improving is with those who work in criminal justice, including law enforcement, judges, local prosecutors, and more. We've expanded our training division to provide more opportunities and options across the state. And as a response to COVID-19, we established a series of webinars and online training programs. In fact, just last month, we held a 2-day online continuing education seminar for state government lawyers. More than 500 attorneys participated. Given the success and appeal of these programs, we'll be continuing to grow our online training program and offering it alongside in-person options, even once social distancing is no longer a concern. These are just a few of the things that we've been doing over the past several months to ensure the Attorney General's office can best serve you and our state. I invite you to visit my website, attorneygenerallynnfitch.com, to learn more about what we are doing. You can even sign up for my bi-weekly newsletter there. And I invite you to visit me on social media, Lynn Fitch AG on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Thank you for your time and attention. I pray you and your family stay safe and healthy. God bless Mississippi.